Well, if you must ask, yeah, I'm walking through the middle of the woods. I can see about as much as you can. Difference is, I know where I am. I know the sound of my feet on the ground, and so on and so forth. This weather is very interesting to me because the stagnation hints at something. We're talking about soft targets, path of least resistance. High pressure is bullying this weather system towards us, and it shall find this weakness. Yeah, it's the middle of the night. It's midnight. Light in the sky is the moon shining through the foggy light. There's the moon. And yeah, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Not really. But yes, I'm in the woods. Everything's quiet. I'm literally the only sound. Not a single animal. Nothing. Ask yourself why. They're smarter than us. That's the answer. They know strong weather's coming. Hollow bones, air pressure. Do the math.